See the keys here, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, in some machines you may see this, in some machines you may not see this. Regardless of what you see and how you see, once you understand how machine operates, it doesn't matter. Okay, so for now, just for idea now, just pay close attention to this. Let me take it out here. You will see a small clock-like thing here in the machine, right? And you will see 2 keys there, 2 hands. Okay, 1, 2. Right now, both of them are in the same place, right? Standing in the same place. Come closer and have a look here. Everyone, please. This is very important. As a barista, you have to understand this. It is at the 0 now. Both of them is 0, and there is a small thing that is being separated. Yes? Have a look. Do you see it? Now, this key is your indicator for everything that's going to happen in the machine. Okay? Now, in this machine, you'll see 1, 0 and 2. Now, I'm going to bring this machine to 1. I want you to see which key moves, and when it moves, where it goes. Okay, I'm going to bring this machine to 0, to 1, sorry, it's in 0 now, it's in the close function. Okay, so I'm going to bring it here at 0. I want all of you to pay close attention here. Okay, if you cannot see, you can come forward, please. 1, 2, 3. Now see where the key is moving, which key is moving, and where it is going. Did you see this key moving here? And it's stopping exactly at 9. That's for a reason. And now you're hearing some sound. You also saw this moving a little bit. Okay? It was dancing a bit. Now it's still at this place. Let it be. Just see. It may be 1 minute, it may be 2 minutes, it may be lesser than that. Now it stops. And slowly the key went back to its place. Now what happened is, the first thing the machine does when you turn on the machine is, it takes in the water. Same like in the house, after you have your coffee thing, what you do, you boil the water. Here also now, before you boil the water in the pan, you need to put the water in the pan, right? Same thing here. Before we make the coffee, the machine has to make sure it has adequate amount of water to start with. So what is the machine does right now is, this machine has a tank at the back which can hold approximately 11 liters of water. Okay, there are machines can hold up to 30 liters as well. 11, 12, 13, 14, depending on the size of the tank, depending on how much you pay. So many other factors. There's a tank at the back. Now this machine has a 11 liter tank. Maybe there was already some water left from my previous class, so it did not take that long. It just took some water from there, 1 or 2 liter, maybe 3 liter. Then, when it's taking the water, the key was coming out. Now, the most important thing you need to see here is, at what pressure the machine is sucking the water. That pressure is called atmospheric pressure. ATM. Not the ATM that you put in the bank, it's the atmospheric pressure. Now, if you see this, if you have noticed this, it stopped exactly at 9, waited there till the time machine is sucking the water, then went back to 0. So means, this brings us that the machine has to be at 9 atmospheric pressure in order to function. Okay? 9 atmospheric pressure. Remember that, you will be doing this very often. So 9 atmospheric pressure. At the 9 atmospheric pressure, machine took some water and went back to its place. Now, once it took the water and went back to its place, your job number 1 is done. You're done with job number 1. Okay? Then you go to job number 2. When the key comes down and goes up, the machine is saying, I have taken the record number of water, now heat me up. Now you need to heat the water, like in the house. When you get the water, coffee is ready, pan ready, stove is lighted, what do you need? You need to put the water in the pan and put it on the stove. The same thing what I'm going to do now is to heat the water. Now I'm going to go to number 2.